Hello, everyone! Today, we're going to learn about two words that seem like they could mean the same thing, but actually have very different meanings: priceless and worthless. First up is priceless. When we say something is priceless, we mean it's so valuable that it cannot be measured in terms of money. It's often used for things of deep sentimental or unique value. For example, a family heirloom or a once-in-a-lifetime experience can be described as priceless. These things have immense value that goes beyond any price tag. Now, let's look at worthless. If something is worthless, it means it has no value at all. It's not worth any money or effort. Imagine an old, broken chair that nobody can use, or a deflated soccer ball that can't be played with. These things are considered worthless because they don't hold any value or importance. See the difference? Priceless means something is so valuable that you can't put a price on it, while worthless means something has no value at all. They are opposites on the value scale. Let's use them in sentences. The memories of my childhood are priceless to me. This broken vase is worthless since it can't be repaired or sold. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.